Directed by Kamal Tabrizi, The Lizard is perhaps the most famous and controversial comedy in the history of Iranian cinema. It manages a daring tightrope walk, satirizing the religious establishment while delivering a surprisingly sincere message about the nature of God. The film follows Reza, the Lizard, Mezghali, a career thief known for his uncanny ability to scale walls with reptilian ease. When the movie begins, Reza is in prison, serving a sentence overseen by a warden who believes his mission is to force prisoners into heaven. Desperate to flee the harsh prison environment, Reza steals the robes of a fellow hospital patient, a soft-spoken cleric. Dressed in the black turban and cloak, Reza walks right out the front door. His plan is simple: head to a border town, get a fake passport, and disappear into Turkey. The disguise works too well. While waiting for his contact near the border, the locals mistake him for a high-ranking cleric sent to lead their mosque. Trapped in his own lie, Lizard is forced to deliver sermons to a growing congregation, offer spiritual advice to people with real, heavy burdens, perform the rituals of a man of God while secretly trying to coordinate a smuggling operation. Reza's sermons become a sensation. Because he doesn't know the formal scriptures, he uses street slang and his own experiences as a criminal to tell people that God is not just for the good people. He famously preaches that there are as many ways to reach God as there are people in the world. Ironically, by pretending to be a man of God, Reza begins to find a moral conscience he never knew he had. The Lizard is a classic, fish out of water comedy, but it bites deeper than your average farce. By putting a criminal in clerical robes, the film strips away the aura of perfection often associated with religious figures. It suggests that the man inside the robe matters more than the robe itself. The film's core philosophy is one of extreme inclusivity. Reza's accidental wisdom suggests that God is accessible to the thief and the sinner, often more so than to the self-righteous. The film pokes fun at the bureaucracy and the rigid expectations of the religious police, which is why it was famously banned in Iran shortly after its release, despite being a massive box office hit. Parviz Parastui delivers what is arguably the greatest comedic performance in Iranian cinema. He plays Reza with a brilliant mix of panic desperation and accidental charisma. The way he struggles with the physical equipment of a cleric, tripping over his robes or forgetting to use formal language, is comedy gold. Director Kamal Tabrizi masterfully balances the heist elements of the film with a genuine spiritual arc. He never mocks faith itself, instead, he mocks the performance of faith. The pacing is brisk, the dialogue is sharp, and the ending is unexpectedly moving, avoiding the cliched, happy ending for something more honest. The film was a cultural phenomenon. Even while banned, bootleg DVDs circulated in nearly every Iranian household. It remains a touchstone for how cinema can bridge the gap between the secular and the religious through the universal language of humor. Finally, it is the movie of bold, witty, and profoundly moving masterpiece demonstrating that the divine has a brilliant sense of humor.